Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Ergonomic Problem Solving Series. It's Jeff here with a mag drill that we had. A customer was trying to index this mag drill horizontally on their pumps. So what we did is we created, for this 35-pound tool, we created a plate here at the base to help rigidly hold it and also take the weight away from the operator so that when they bring it over, it alleviates that 35-pound problem. Index it right on the part, hit the magnet, you're all set to go. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Ergonomic Problem Solving Series. Look forward to talking to you soon. 1-800-837-2503.